All right, if you ever came to me and said, Matt, what's the little mini micro workout that you would give me if I just wanted to just obliterate my chest muscles? Here's what it is for day 7 here on the Red Delta Project Advent Calendar. We're combining 2 exercises. You could do these on rings or suspension straps. And basically what we're doing is we're combining the RTO push-ups, which are a chest crusher because they're nice and tight. One of the biggest misconceptions about the chest muscle is that it's all about adduction, which is true, but you don't have to necessarily make adduction happen during your exercises. You can also maintain adduction as well, and that's what we do with the RTO push-ups. Coming down all the way, palms are facing forward and squeezing in as we come up into our push-up position. Then we're going to superset that with chest flies. And the chest flies are making use of that adduction, but we're still keeping our shoulders down and back. Everything's packed nice and tight, and you can even still have a little bit of rotation in the rings as well. You're going to have the same sort of drop, sort of repetitions that we had in the first day, which all the subsequent videos are down below in the description, where you have 10 reps of each, 8, 6, 4, and 2 with minimum rest, so that way you can use your angle to gravity kind of like as a drop set to just completely murder your chest. More details down below in the description, as well as other suspension resources on how to make your own. Let me know if you have questions as well. Be fit, live free.